What's up guys, it's unbelievable. Yes guys, unbelievable thing happened. The Google Pixel 4 official trailer got leaked almost a month ahead of its official unveiling. And not that, full crazy camera features, and I mean really crazy features, and specs of the camera also got leaked. So here's the official trailer of Pixel 4. Looks like specially made to target Huawei. Not sure I am, but as you can see it's saying what happens when people made the phone, who made every Google services like YouTube, Google Maps, Google Assistant, and etc. And in case you don't know what happened to Huawei, so stay tuned because in the upcoming video I'm gonna discuss everything about the Huawei and its current problems. And then here comes the Google Pixel 4 finally. The top 4 had the slimmer chin, and they also confirmed the Project Soli, which allows you to control your phone by just waving your hand in the air. But as I said to you, it will only be limited to certain countries. Don't know what's the reason, but as leaks are coming, you should definitely subscribe to the channel to know everything. And yes, the Google Assistant is also there, the Android 10's Google Assistant, which is now way more smarter and faster. And then now they also confirmed the back design of the phone, and seriously it is looking beautiful. In live images it wasn't look that much good, maybe because of the screen protectors on it, but now it is looking more beautiful with this square shaped camera setup. And this trailer also confirms some amazing, and I mean really amazing camera features which we talked about in a bit. So yeah, trailer is over now by showing the phone made by Google Way. Also, as we know, Pixel 4 and 4 XL will have a 90Hz display, which is now fully 100% confirmed. XDA developer from Android 10 source code has found out the extension which says 90Hz for P19 devices, which is obviously the Pixel 2019 devices. And that's not enough. Pixel 4 will also have smart refresh rate, which means if you're playing a video that isn't support 90Hz, then the display will automatically switch back to 60Hz to save battery power, whereas in the OnePlus 7 Pro it has fixed 90Hz refresh rate even when you're not watching a 90Hz video and stuff. Also, another leaked image confirms that Pixel 4 will finally have 6 gigs of RAM. And now finally, as for the camera, so as we know, Pixel 3 with its one single camera is arguably the best camera phone, mainly because of its software. But now as we know, Google Pixel 4 is having a more than one camera, so you might expect what Google will bring to the table, but you are still wrong. According to 95 Google, Pixel 4 will have a motion mode. Now what is this? It allows users to take high quality action images with moving subjects in the foreground and blurry background like the expensive DSLR cameras. In my opinion, it is the best smartphone camera feature that will truly rival the expensive DSLR cameras. Next up we have Night Sight. Google's Night Sight camera feature is already the best in the industry right now, and now Google will take this to a whole new level with its Pixel 4. It will be getting some speed related and other general improvements, and also now you can take better photos of the starry sky at fully dark night time like what official video showed off. Another feature which we are gonna see with the Pixel 4 is the 8x zoom. As you can see in this leaked image, it shows 8x zoom, but we don't know whether it's an optical zoom or digital, but according to reports it will have 5x optical zoom and 8x Google Super S zoom. Also, XDA developers has also leaked that Pixel 4 will have audio zoom similar to the Galaxy Note 10, which uses the microphone to zoom in or zoom out when you do the same thing with your camera. And Pixel 4 will also have live HDR and better wide angle selfies. So all in all, the true rival of DSLR is coming in the form of Pixel 4, which will arguably the best smartphone camera phone of 2019. So let me know what you think about these upgrades and subscribe to the channel because I'm pretty confident that more leaks are coming really soon. So like this video if you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you soon.